Today in this tutorial, we're going to show you how to set up your phone and VPN. You will be receiving a phone and 3 cables, the power cord, and 2 Ethernet cables. In the center slot, you're going to plug in your first Ethernet cable, and then plug that cable into your PC. With your second Ethernet cable, you're going to plug it into the first slot. Now plug it into your router. In the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to plug in your power cable. The system now will boot up. Click the Settings button, then navigate to Admin Settings. Navigate down to number 5, Reset Settings. Choose All Settings. Click the third button, Reset. Your phone will now automatically reset. You will be taken to the welcome screen, where you will type on the keypad vc.stewart.com. Use the keypad to enter your username and your password, then click the second button, Sign In. You have now successfully set up your phone and activated your VPN.